everyone! Welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. I'm Yoshimi. Today, I'm going to show you how to make Jaga Bata. When you go to Omatsuri Summer Fest in Japan, you can find a lot of food stands selling street food. And Jaga Bata is one of the popular food there. It's just cooked potato with some butter and salt or soy sauce. So it's super easy to make. Okay, let's get started. These are what you need. Some potatoes, as much as you like. Butter, soy sauce, and some green onion to garnish. I'm going to cook the potatoes with the skin on. So let's wash it really well. All nice and clean. Now, I'm going to steam them using pressure cooker. Put some water, about 1 inch. Set the steamer. Put the potatoes. On and cook over medium-high heat until the pressure is high. In the meantime, let's slice some green onion. Cut the bottom off. Cut them into half, put them together. Cut them into half, put them together. This is just to save your time. And let's make thin slices. This is the garnish, so let's put it in a small bowl and set aside. Now, the pressure is high. Turn the heat to low, but keep the pressure high and cook for 10 to 15 minutes depending on the size of your potatoes. I cooked it for 12 minutes. Let's kill the heat and naturally release the pressure. Now, the pressure is gone. The toothpick can easily go through. That means it's cooked. Take them out on aluminum foil. Let's make some slits. And wrap it with the foil, but leave the top open. And let's grill them in the oven to make the top part nice and crispy. Grilled for 10 minutes at 250 degrees Celsius. And the top part is slightly browned. Serve on the plate. Open it up a little bit. Put some butter, soy sauce, and green onion. And it's done! Super easy! Time for the tasting. Itadakimasu. Soy sauce and butter go really well together. The skin is very crispy and it's so moist and fluffy inside, and it's just so delicious. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up on every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. So don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!